This is Lelit Grace PL81T Espresso machine. Many people are struggling to adjust the LCC settings for this beautiful device. In today's video, we will go through all these settings and what is the perfect setting for each one, as well as the PID control setting in the main screen. And what is my favorite setting for a delicious shot of espresso? Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you love coffee content. Let's start by turning off the machine and put a container under the group head to reset the machine to factory settings. We will do that by holding the plus button on the display and turn on the power button. We will get a message on the display says preset done. Now, let's restart the machine by turning it off and on again. The pump will be activated and water will come from the group head for about 30 seconds. To enter the LCC menu, turn the machine off. Then hold the minus and plus buttons and turn the machine back on. The first thing you will see is the Pre-On, which means the time the pump will be active during pre-infusion. Let's set that to 3 seconds. After that, the Pre-Off, which means the time the pump will be inactive during pre-infusion. Set that to 7 seconds to have a 10 seconds total pre-infusion time. After that, the KP. This one sets how aggressively the machine responds to temperature changes. Set that to 1. The KI refers to integral gain. This setting helps the PID controller correct long-term temperature errors. Set that to 0 and change it only if you notice consistent temperature fluctuations. The KD refers to integral gain. This setting helps the PID controller respond to rapid temperature changes. Set that to 1 and increase slightly if the machine overshoots the target temperature. The B refers to brew temperature offset. This adjusts the temperature offset for the brew boiler. Set that to 30 and you can change that to your preferable temperature. The EC refers to coffee temperature offset. This allows for cooling of the brew water by the time it hits the coffee. Set that to 5. The ES refers to steam temperature offset. I set that to 0. This way I can convert temperature to an accurate pressure. The F01 refers to illumination. 1 means on and 0 means off. The F02 sets the single shot volume. I set that to 25 milliliters. The SL refers to steam latency. This setting controls the delay between activating the steam and when steam is actually produced. I set that to 0, which means off. The TR. A value of 1 allows the LCC to display the actual temperature, and a value of 0 means the LCC only shows the set temperature. The TOT refers to total shot counter. After getting all settings done, restart the machine. And let's adjust the PID settings. For dark roast, I set the brew temperature somewhere between 89 and 91 degrees. And for light roast, I go between 93 and 95. For the steam temperature, I set it to the max, which is 140 degrees. Here you can switches the temperature display between Celsius and Fahrenheit. I prefer Celsius. Here, you can turn on and off the pre-infusion. These settings can work for both Grace and Victoria. Also, these are my preferred setting, and you can adjust it to your own taste and experiment. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more coffee tips. Thank you for watching.